In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add title in CapCut. Let's dive right in with your CapCut editor open and your video on the timeline so you can see where the title will appear. The process is the same idea whether you're on desktop or mobile, and it's quick once you know where everything lives. Start by heading to the text controls. On desktop, you'll find text in the left panel. On mobile, look for the text option on the bottom toolbar. This is where you manage anything that appears as text on your video. Instead of building from scratch, we'll use CapCut's ready-made designs to move faster and keep things looking polished. Next, open the text template section. Templates give you pre-styled typography with clean motion and formatting, so your title looks intentional right away. You'll see lots of categories, and we're going straight to the one built for opening text. Choose the title category. This filters the gallery to designs specifically meant for main titles and headline callouts. As you browse, pay attention to readability and tone. Bold, high-contrast options work best for quick reads. If your footage is busy, pick a template with a solid background plate or outline to keep your words legible. Select a design you like and drop it onto your timeline where you want the title to start. Now edit the text. Double-click or tap the text box to change the wording, then adjust the essentials: font for personality, size for hierarchy, and color for contrast against your footage. If the template includes outlines, shadows, or background shapes, tweak those to improve readability without overpowering the scene. You can drag the text on the preview canvas to reposition it and use alignment controls to keep it centered or locked to a specific corner. Refine timing by trimming the text clip's edges on the timeline so it appears and disappears exactly where it makes sense in your story. Most templates include built-in animations. You can adjust their speed or easing to match the pace of your edit. If the title sits over other graphics, make sure the title layer is above them. If not, reorder the layer so it's visible. For safe framing across platforms, keep crucial words within the visible margins, and always check contrast by quickly previewing on a bright and a dark frame. Finally, play it back to confirm the pacing, spelling, and on-screen placement. With those tweaks, your title should look clear, consistent with your brand, and ready to anchor your video's opening moments. That's it. You've added a professional title in CapCut.